check him out. He's got, this is a 90 millimeter three-wing F-18. It runs on what we call whoa. And that's what you call an RC crash. It happens. It happens. We were hoping it wasn't going to happen here today, but hey, it happens. If anybody else is out there and ready to go ahead and plug in. Hey, well, let's let him go pick up the plane. But that happens. There is a saying that says, I fly, therefore I crash. The cool thing about RC is that you can go pick up the pieces and walk away. With a full-scale plane, you can't necessarily do that. So, I'm going to set water out here on the table for you guys. All right, here you go, right here. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, sorry to see that go down, but that does happen, unfortunately. Is there anybody else out on the runway that's ready to go? Well, let's see. Maybe I'll have to go out there and do this. Hey, Nate, can you hear me, Nate? Nate Calgal. Nate! Are you ready? Who's ready? Okay. So I'm going to have to put the mic down, guys, and I'm going to have to go out and fly for a little bit, but I will be back. Please enjoy the show. Hopefully there won't be any more crashes, but it could happen. What happened? Well, I wasn't expecting that. Oops. It was. All right. Yeah, right. Rudder. After this next pass, Jack, go ahead and taxi out. I'll go with you. I'll go a little after you, okay? Did the pits go away? You didn't come back? Okay. Okay, and then Jack go up, and then I'll come up and fly with this guy. Nate, are you ready to go after this?
Yeah, I'll go after all you.
Please. So after I land, go ahead and go up, and then I'll get back on the mic. Jack, taxi out. Okay. So I'll stand here with you, and then I'll come with you. All right. After him, Jack, go ahead and take off. There's a crowd. We got people out there looking. That's good. No, go ahead. I'll come up with you. We'll try to do like our own version of a heritage. So Jack, just do your thing. and then you just fly a regular pattern, a regular circle pattern, and I'll join up with you. Go, Jack, go!
That's fine, the music does all the talking. I hope there's 2 girls out there. Oh my god. Wait, we're down. Oh yeah.
All right, I'm coming around behind us, guys.
I'll pull it back for you. Oh, we're going way behind. Oh yeah. Wait, what the fuck?
All right, where's the P-47? Let's join up. Just do what you do. Go a little like 3/4 speed, and I'll stick with you.
I'm not gonna. That's just, no, I just want some kid to hustle funnel. That's all I want. It's gonna be you. Oh, hell yeah. Why didn't bring one out here? Hear that, Carl? I love you. I want to come by and just straight there.
Okay, you ready?
Rip the wings off of it.
I'll go right there. Go.
Yeah, that's very much. Just go straight behind us. Just go straight behind us. Oh yeah. After you, Ray?
Yeah.
I'll do a pass. I'll do a pass behind us and then swing in.
Okay. I'm doing a pass from the right now, in front of us.
Midair. Alright, I'm left downwind for landing.
Come on.
Alright, I guess we'll go after these guys.
So, Jack, you about ready to land? Okay.
Yeah, I'm turning base.
Okay, come on in. Then I'll go grab the mic. You doing a gear pass or just coming in, Jack? Okay. I'll come in before you. Just don't worry about me. Just come on in, okay? No, you're gay. Hey, as much as it sucks, the crowd thought it was cool. Come on, Jack. I'm all the way closest to us. I'm going to drive the plane up. Plane back there to the crowd. There you go. Well, I was, but... So, Nate, go. All yours, Nate. I'm going to go and drive in front of the crowd. Going right behind you. Good job, Jack. Ricky, are you... Huh? Yeah. We'll let Ricky go first, then we'll go after, okay? I'm waving, guys. Wait. All right. Thank you. So how's everybody feeling? How you guys like it so far? We had a little mishap in the beginning, but we always rebound. Ricky has another plane. He's going to fly another plane for us. So, this is Nate flying right now. This is what we call 3D flying. Basically, this plane's doing what no full-scale plane can do. You'll see it hang on its prop. You'll see it do things that would make a pilot fly through the bottom of the seat. Way too many G's for a real plane. But he can hear you out there, so make sure to give him a hand, because he's killing it out there. Give him a hand, guys. Give Nate a hand. That stuff is hard. Look at that. Slow roll and doing that, so this is good. I'm actually going to be setting up for another plane right now. I'm going to fly with Jack. Actually, I just flew with Jack. Jack is 12 years old. Those F-22s out there, I was flying one and Jack was flying one. Jack is 12 years old, or 13, I don't remember. He's young, and he killed it, so. Good job, Jack. The coolest thing about Nate is that he's actually 18 years old and a full-scale pilot. He's going through all the training to become a commercial pilot. So he's just started with IFR, but he's got his private pilot's license. No, it's not out of control. Totally controlled. He's doing that. Give him a hand, guys. Give Nate a hand. Give him a hand. Give him a hand for that. This stuff is cool. You will not see a full-scale airplane do this. It'll get close. There you go. Check him out. Give him a hand. Give him a wave, Nate. Good job, Nate. So, guys, Mr. Ricky is going up again because he's a sport like that. This is an A10. This is, again, an electric ducted fan, and it's pretty dang awesome. This runs off of 2 batteries, and it flies a lot like the real thing. Puts on a dang good show. So, go, Ricky, go. Keep in mind, guys, he just crashed the plane and he's flying again. So give him a hand. Give Ricky a hand, guys. Give Ricky a big hand. Big hand for him. He can hear you out there. Again, there's water here too if you guys would like to. Need some water? I have a whole bunch and I don't want to take it home. I want to make sure you guys are hydrated. Come on and get some. And then keep watching the show. Look at this thing. Look at this. This looks just like the real deal. Good job, Ricky. The full-scale airplane is a tank killer and air support plane. You're welcome. And
Thank you so much.
And it takes care of the troops on the ground and makes sure that they're able to do what they need to do. This plane is electric, has no guns, but flies like it does. It's pretty cool. So once he does this pass, believe it or not, this stuff is not easy to do. It's a little harder than what you think because you have to think in reverse when the plane's coming at you. So if you see something cool, give him a hand. And again, there's water here. Come get water. I want you to stay hydrated. I want you to watch. Come on. I got more. Don't worry. There's more. I got a whole bunch, guys.
Yes, please.
You got it? 3 of them, right? There's 1. I'm just going to hold it up. Somebody got to grab it. There you go. There you go. Anyone else? Here. Go ahead and take them, guys. I got to get back on the mic.
Sounds good. Thank you.
So you guys still liking it? Still think this is cool? Check out Ricky. He's flying right for the crowd. Give him a cheer when he goes by, guys. Give him a cheer. Look at that. Go, Ricky, go. Thank you for doing this, Ricky. We appreciate it. That thing looks awesome as always. And as I say, you're our Airshow pilot. He always puts on a show. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. That's me handing out water. There you go. There you go. Thank you. Yep. And then it's here on the table if you guys want to grab it. So come on. If that means you come and watch the show more, please get more water. He just landed too, guys. Check him out. Look at that. Ricky crashed his plane earlier. Just put on a flawless flight with this A-10. So give him a big hand. Give him a hand so he can hear you out there, guys. Big hand for Ricky. Listen, Ricky. We appreciate you, Ricky. Good job. Thank you. So I'm going to put the mic down and head back out there with Mr. Jack to go fly. So enjoy the show, guys. I'll be back to yammer and talk to y'all. Water right there, guys. You're welcome. So guys, this is a cool plane. This is a plane called a Draco. It's what you call a bush plane. We're going to do a little bit of simulated bush flying here in the front of the crowd. If we can, he's going to try to do some landings there in the dirt and then go back. Once he's done with that flight, he'll come back by here by the crowd. This plane's cool. It has a feature called reverse. So unlike the real turboprop that just varies its pitch, this thing makes the motor